The hidden digital arsenal you never knew existed. Hey there, digital explorers. You know that feeling when you discovered something so incredible you can't believe you lived without it? Get ready because I'm about to share 11 mind blowing digital tools that are about to transform your entire work. Picture this: creating stunning 3D models with just a text prompt, generating professional videos in minutes, and crafting content that sounds perfectly human, all without spending a dime. Sounds too good to be true? Keep watching because these hidden gems are very real and they're about to revolutionize how you work online. Why these tools matter in today's digital landscape. If you're new here, welcome to Digital Nomad Institute, your go-to channel for discovering those incredible tech tools that somehow fly under everyone's radar. You know how frustrating it is to wade through endless must-have software recommendations only to find they're either overpriced or underwhelming. Yeah, we've all been there. That's exactly why I've spent countless hours testing and curating these 11 unconventional tools that mainstream channels rarely talk about. The best part? They're all completely free, potentially saving you hundreds of dollars in subscription fees. What makes these tools particularly special in 2025 is their use of cutting-edge AI technology, making them not just powerful, but incredibly user-friendly. Whether you're a content creator, digital marketer, or someone looking to streamline their online workflow, these tools are game changers. Point.e, OpenAI's revolutionary 3D model generator. Let's kick things off with something truly revolutionary. Point.e by OpenAI is like having a 3D artist at your fingertips. Simply type what you want to create and watch as it generates detailed 3D models complete with coordinates for manipulation. Perfect for product visualization, game design, or just exploring your creative ideas. VideoMaker, the no-login video creation platform. Tired of complicated video editing software? VideoMaker, powered by LumaEye's Dream Machine, lets you create professional-looking videos without any technical expertise. No registration, no learning curve, just pure creation. I've used this for quick social media content, and the results are honestly impressive. Homeworkify, your AI study companion. Whether you're upskilling or helping others learn, Homeworkify is like having a patient tutor available 24/7. It doesn't just give you answers, it provides detailed explanations that help you understand complex concepts. This tool has been a lifesaver for many in our community who are learning new digital skills. LogoGalleria, create professional branding. Building your personal brand. LogoGalleria uses AI to help you create unique, professional logos in minutes. No design experience needed, just input your preferences and watch as it generates options that would typically cost hundreds through traditional design services. GenPPT, AI-powered presentation magic. Say goodbye to boring slides. GenPPT is revolutionizing how we create presentations. It generates visually stunning slides that actually engage your audience. I recently used this for a client pitch, and let me tell you, it was a game changer. AI paragraph generator, content creation simplified. Writer's block? Not anymore. The AI paragraph generator by Base Labs helps you create engaging content in seconds. Whether you're writing blog posts, social media captions, or email newsletters, this tool ensures your content stays fresh and engaging. Text-to-speech, convert text to natural speech. This isn't your typical robotic voice converter. Text-to-speech produces remarkably natural-sounding speech from text, perfect for creating voiceovers, accessibility content, or converting your written content into audio format for busy audiences. AI FaceSwap, creative photo editing. Need to add some personality to your visual content. AI FaceSwap makes photo editing fun and engaging. While it's great for creative projects, remember to use it responsibly and ethically in your content creation. Humanize, make AI text sound natural. If you're using AI for content creation, Humanize is essential. It transforms AI-generated text into natural,
engaging copy that actually connects with your audience. The difference is remarkable, no more robotic sounding content. Pika Labs, text to animation innovation. Pika Labs is absolutely mind blowing. Type in your idea and watch as it creates fluid animations that would typically require hours of work. This tool is perfect for creating engaging social media content or adding dynamic elements to your presentations. IllusionDiffusion, AI art generation. Available on Hugging Face, IllusionDiffusion creates stunning artistic images from text descriptions. It's perfect for creating unique visual content for your brand or adding artistic elements to your projects. Revolutionize your digital workflow starting today. Now, imagine combining these tools into your daily workflow. You could create a complete content package from ideation to execution in a fraction of the time and cost. We're talking about potentially saving thousands of dollars in software subscriptions annually. I'd love to hear which of these tools caught your attention. Drop a comment below sharing which one you're most excited to try first. And if you found this valuable, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We share new hidden gems like these every week. Join our thriving digital nomad community by clicking that subscribe button and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest game-changing tools. See you in the next video.